Guys, so sometimes you want to send message, normal message, normal SMS, not WhatsApp chat or normal message, SMS with your phone message. So but we're worried if the person is alone or not and stuff like that. So because of that, we don't end up sending the message. Most times we end up calling to ask, are you alone? Should I send you? And they'll be like, okay, yes. So I want to save you all those stress. Do you know you can actually send someone an invisible message? Then when the person is alone, the person can actually go to check the message you sent him or her. So I'll be showing you in this video how to send someone an invisible message. In fact, do you know there's so many options in your what's it called, iPhone message settings? Like you don't have to just always type and send. There's so many options you can use there that most of you don't even know. So in this video I'll be showing you how to send an invisible message, how to send a full screen message, how to send a loud message, how to send a gentle message, how to send a slam message, and all of that. So stay with us to the end of this video, and also don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Thank you. And turn on the notification bell after subscribing, so anytime we post a new video you'll be the first to know. Thank you. Okay, so if you want to send an invisible message, all you need to do is to type whatever message you want to send. Now you tap and hold the send button. When you tap and hold the send button, it will bring out all the options. All you need to do is to click on invisible link and then you send. So I'm just going to click on invisible link now, then I'm going to send. Once I press send, it will send to the person, and as you can see, it is invisible. For the person to see this message, the person has to tap on that message for him or her to see the message. So when you tap on it, the message would come up, and with time the message will go back to being invisible again. So that is how to send an invisible message to someone. So now stop sending boring messages, or stop waiting to know if the person is alone before sending message. Feel free to send your message. Now let's move to the next one. So now you can type anything you want to send to the person. Do the same thing, long click on the send button, then you can go to screen. Just click on screen. When you click on screen, you press send. So this is how to send a full screen message. Now let us move to the next one. Go back again, type whatever you want to send to the person, and we're using the same method. Long press the send message. When you press the send message, this is for screen, and then click on bubble. When you click on bubble, you're going to see these options. So you can either send, like we said before, invisible message, or you can send with gentle. It will come out, it will pop up gently on the person's distance, or you can send loud. It will pop up loudly on the person's side, or you can send with slam. It will come up like this. So here are your different options to send message. So feel free to try any of these options to whoever you want to send message to, and let me know how it goes. Also, let me know if you like this video in the comment section, and let me know if this is your first time hearing this or not. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.